CERES data has been important in understanding exactly how fast the Arctic is changing. In particular, because we're measuring the energy flows, the CERES data has showed us that the Arctic is absorbing a lot more solar radiation over the last couple decades than it was the previous decades before that. And so CERES data has allowed us to quantify that. Another aspect of the system that CERES has allowed us to kind of quantify and understand better is what's called the ice albedo feedback. And so the ice albedo feedback, as the climate warms, the sea ice is melting back. Sea ice is pretty bright, so if you look at it from a satellite image, it's bright white, and that means it's reflecting a lot of the solar radiation that would normally heat the planet, but it's reflecting it back to space, so it's not able to warm the surface. But as you melt back the sea ice, you're uncovering a much darker ocean underneath that absorbs a lot more solar radiation. So in that sense, then the surface warms, and the extra warming of the surface that happens then helps to melt back the sea ice. And so it's this amplifying feedback loop. Where if you melt back sea ice, you increase more absorbed solar radiation, heat the surface, and then continuously melt back more sea ice. And so the CERES data has enabled us to quantify the magnitude of that feedback.